When it comes to what's happening in the housing market, there's a lot of confusion going on right now. You may hear one thing in conversation with your friends, see something totally different on the news, and read something on social media that contradicts both of them. And if you're thinking about making a move that can leave you with a lot of lingering questions, that's where a trusted local real estate agent comes in. Now, here are the top 3 questions people are asking about today's housing market and the data to help answer them. Number 1, what's next for mortgage rates? Mortgage rates are higher than they've been in recent years, and we've seen reductions in the rates back into the 6% level. And if you're looking to buy a home, that impacts how much you can afford. That's why so many buyers want to know what's ahead for mortgage rates. Now, the answer to that question is no one can know for certain, but here's what we know based on historical trends. There's a long-standing relationship between mortgage rates and inflation. Basically, when inflation is high, mortgage rates tend to follow suit. Over the past year, inflation was up, so mortgage rates were as well. But inflation is easing now, and this is why the Federal Reserve has recently paused their federal funds rate hikes and had in fact lowered the rates, which means many experts believe that more mortgage rates are coming down. And in some ways, we're starting to see hints of slightly lower mortgage rates in recent weeks. But it's certainly been volatile and will likely continue to be that way going into this year. Some ongoing variation is to be expected, but the anticipation is that in 2024, we'll see a downward trend. As Aziz Sundarji, strategist at Home Economics, says, the bottom line is that interest rates are likely to be lower, perhaps even lower than many optimists think, in the weeks and months to come. Number 2, where are home prices headed? Well, there's been a lot of concern prices would come crashing down this year. Data shows that that didn't happen. In fact, home prices are rising in most of the nation. Experts say the trend will continue, just at a slower pace, and that's much more normal for the housing market, and that's a good thing. To help show just how confident experts are on this continued appreciation, take a look at the Home Price Expectations Survey from Pulsenomics. It's a survey of a national panel of over 100 economists, real estate experts, and investment and market strategists. As this graph shows, the consensus is that prices will keep climbing this next year and in the years to come. Number 3 is a recession around the corner. While recession talk has been a common thing over the past few years, there's good news on that front. The Wall Street Journal polls experts on this topic regularly, and last year at this time, most of them thought a recession would have happened by now. But as experts look at all the leading indicators today, they're changing their minds and saying a recession is getting less and less likely. Latest results show that more experts now think we're not headed for another recession. This is good news for the housing market. And while the 48% to 52% split may seem close to half and half, the key thing to focus on is that the majority of these experts think we've avoided a recession already. The big takeaway? The data shows there isn't cause for concern. There are actually more signs of hope. For more videos on the housing market, both nationally and locally, check out our channel. And if you'd like a copy of our Winter Buyer's Guide or Winter Seller's Guide, click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.